Meaning of implode.
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 Implode. The word implode refers to the process of collapsing inward, often violently or quickly. When something implodes, it usually creates a loud noise and causes destruction or damage. This term is commonly used to describe the collapse of buildings, structures, or systems under intense pressure or stress. In essence, an implosion occurs when the force pushing outward is overcome by an opposing force pushing inward, leading to the sudden collapse of the structure. The resulting destruction can be catastrophic, often causing significant damage to nearby objects and posing a serious threat to anyone in the vicinity.